My name is Daniel, and I am the founder of a very small organization called Tamenglong Animals Home. As a profession, I used to mix music. I was a DJ. I played for various clubs all over Bombay, and then eventually I also joined a cruise line. Me, along with my wife Galina, we moved to Tamenglong over 3 years ago with our dogs, and we really fell in love with the greenery here. We'd often heard about the hunting practices prevalent here in the hill regions, but when we started seeing things with our own eyes, the state of the animals, how they were gagged and bound and sold in the market for human consumption, we spoke to the hunters, tried to create awareness amongst the hunters. We bought the animals from the hunters, not a good idea always, but then we couldn't just stand by and let the animals be killed and consumed. We rescue them, and since we can't lead them back into the forest because it will be the same vicious circle, we bring them home. We speak to doctors in major cities. We do video conferencing, as there is absolutely no veterinary in the entire district. And then once we think that the animals are okay to be released, we send them all the way to Imphal, because Imphal does have a zoological garden and many safe havens.
As far as the funding goes, it's all from our pocket, and now we're trying to raise funds again for our work.
Several species of animals have vanished from this region forever, like the river crocodiles. When we speak to the villagers, they haven't seen a black bear here for ages. There were reports of tigers being spotted, but nobody has heard about tigers, no pug marks, no droppings. It's been many years. Nature, its bounties, is the true treasure. Times like today, we see crazy weather patterns all around the world, and we have to take care of nature, otherwise she'll be very angry.